Good morning, student. Today I am going to solve check your progress. Sixth question. If the angle of a triangle are 3x degree, 2x minus 7 degree and 4x minus 11 degree, then find the value of x. So by angle sum property, by angle sum property, three x degree plus 2x minus 7 degree plus 4x minus 11 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now 3x plus 2x plus 4x, 5 plus 4 9, 9x minus 7 minus 11 is minus 18 is equal to 180 degree. Now 9x is equal to 180 degree plus 18 degree. So 9x is equal to 198 degree, or x is equal to 198 divided by 9. So 9 2s are 18 and 9 2s are 18, 22 degree. Value of x is 22 degree. Next question. In an isosceles triangle, the vertical angle is 15 greater than each of its base angle. Find all the angles of the triangle. So in isosceles triangle, base angle x, let the base angle be x and vertical angle is 15 greater than base angle. So x plus 15. Let the base angles be x and x, and vertical angle be x plus 15. By angle sum property, x plus x plus x plus 15, x plus x plus x plus 15, sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. X plus x plus x is 3x is equal to 180 minus 15 degree. So 3x is equal to 180 degree minus 15 degree is 165 degree, or x is equal to 165 degree divided by 3, 5 and 5, 55 degree. So base angle at last, right? Base angles are 55 degree and 55 degree, and vertical angle is 55 plus 15, 55 plus 15, 70 degree. Next question. Can a triangle have three sides whose length are 4.5 centimeter, 3.8 centimeter and 7.2 centimeter? So sum of two side is greater than third side. 4.5 centimeter plus 3.8 centimeter. 4.5 plus 3.8 is at 8.3 centimeter. 8.3 centimeter is greater than third side, 7.2 centimeter. Next two side, 3.8 plus 7.2. 3.8 centimeter plus 7.2 centimeter is 11 centimeter. 11 centimeter is greater than third side, that means 4.5 centimeter. and next 7.2 plus 4.5, 7.2 centimeter plus 4.5 centimeter is equal to 11.7 centimeter is also greater than third side, that means 3.8 centimeter. That means triangle possible. Yes, triangle possible. Yes, triangle possible. Next part, 3.2 centimeter, 5.3 centimeter, 9.4 centimeter. So check 3.2 centimeter plus 5.3 centimeter, 8.5 centimeter. 8.5 centimeter is less than third side, not greater than third side. So triangle not possible. No, answer is no. Triangle not possible. Triangle not possible. Next question, 9th. If the length of two sides of a triangle are 5 centimeter and 12 centimeter, then what can be the length of third side? Length of two sides given. So first of all, calculate sum of two sides. Sum of two sides. Sum of two sides, 5 centimeter plus 12 centimeter. 5 centimeter plus 12 centimeter is 17 centimeter. And difference of two sides, difference of two sides, that means 12 centimeter minus 5 centimeter is 12 minus 5, 7 centimeter. So length of third side is greater than 7 centimeter and less than 17 centimeter. Length of third side, length of third side must greater than 7 centimeter and less than 17 centimeter. Next question, 10th question. In the figure given below, all measurement are in centimeters. Measurement given in centimeter. If AD is perpendicular to BC, AD is perpendicular to BC, find the length of AB. Calculate AB. AC given 25 centimeter and BC given 28 centimeter. So in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, apply Pythagoras property. Here given 15 centimeter. So in triangle ADC, by Pythagoras property, hypotenuse is AC square is equal to perpendicular AD square plus base CD square. So AC square 25 square is equal to AD perpendicular given 15. So 15 square plus CD square. 25 square is 625. 15 square is 225 plus CD square. So CD square is equal to 625 minus 225. 625 minus 225 is 400 and 400 is square of 20. So CD square is equal to 20 square, or we can say CD equal to 20 centimeter. If CD 20 centimeter and BC 28 centimeter, so BD is equal to 28 minus 20 centimeter or 8 centimeter. And in triangle ADB, again apply Pythagoras property. In triangle ADB, Pythagoras property. So here hypotenuse is AB, so AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AB square is equal to AD square 15 square plus BD is equal to 8 square. So AB square is equal to 15 square 225 plus 8 square 64. 225 plus 64 289, and 289 is square of 17. So AB square is equal to 17 square, or AB is equal to 17 centimeter. Next part, B part. In the figure given below, AB and CD are two vertical poles. AB and CD are two vertical poles of length 19 meter and 11 meter. If the shortest distance between their tops, that means AC is equal to 17 meter, find how far apart they are, that means poles. So draw CE parallel to BD, draw parallel line. Now BE plus AE, total given 19 meter, so 19 minus 11, so AE is equal to, solution, AE is equal to AE, total 19 minus 11, 19 minus 11 or 8 meter. So apply Pythagoras property in triangle AEC. In triangle AEC, by Pythagoras property, AC square is equal to AE square plus CE square. So AC square, that means 17 square, is equal to AE means 8 square plus CE square. So 17 square 289 is equal to 8 square 64 plus CE square. So CE square is equal to 289 minus 64. 289 minus 64, 225. And CE is equal to CE square. 225 is a square of 15. So write 15 square. And CE is equal to 15 meter. CE is equal to 15 centimeter. So answer is, how far apart they are? So they are apart 15 meter. Thank you.